Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Robinhood account login. Begin by navigating to the Robinhood website or opening the mobile app. On the login screen, locate and click on the Forgot Your Password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Robinhood account. Enter your email address and click on the Send Password Reset Email button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Robinhood. If you do not see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. You will be redirected to a page where you can set a new password. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined on the page. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. Once you have successfully created a new password, return to the login screen. Enter your email address and the new password you just set. Click the Login button to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your device for the authentication code. Enter the code when prompted to complete the login process. If you encounter issues during this process, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance. Be prepared to provide any identification or account information they may request to verify your identity. With these steps completed, you should successfully restore access to your Robinhood account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.